All right, so anyway, I've got to pull the filter out and clean it. I do it every week, no matter what. And the first thing you want to do is come here and turn off the breakers so that this doesn't turn on right in the middle of you doing your work. And first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pop the basket off, and then I'm going to take this top section off. And you guys can watch. All right, let's get her done. First things first, open this up. So I'm just twisting it counterclockwise. All right, set that there. And then this comes out. Okay, so you can see that needs to be cleaned out. I'm just going to set this over here. All right, next thing I'm going to do is pop this off, and it takes a lot of turns. I also release this valve. Then I just kind of pop it a little bit, and it should pull off. And that's what it looks like inside. And we got to squirt that. So I'm going to set this over here. All right, here it is. You can see it's pretty dirty. Brand new filter, I just got it. But it definitely needs to be cleaned. So let's get her out of there. Here it is, check it out. You can see this is where it sucks in really good. And we're going to set it over here, and then we're going to squirt her down. I'll give you a bird's eye view. That's where the basket goes. That's where the filter goes. And we're going to clean it out here. There's my cleaning area. I'm going to clean this also here. So let me set that there. I got to get my hose. All right, so I've got one of these hoses. And what I usually do is I'll put it on jet, and that I'll jet it. Now you can see here how dirty it is. So you really got to get that cleaned out. If you use the high pressure hose, it's a cinch. All right, that should do it. Now we've got to clean our little basket right here, right? Check it out. Watch how I do it. Okay, there seems to be one piece stuck in there. But not too bad, right? Let's switch it to shower. All right, I think we got it pretty clean. What do you guys think? I think so. I think it's ready to go back in. So let's go ahead and we'll take it over here. I'm just gonna set, oh, I might wanna grab whatever's in here out of here. You know, sometimes you get some junk in there. There's some more in there. Let me see if I can get it. I mean, it'll get pulled into the filter, but you might as well get it out of there. All right, so that's that, right? Now we got to put our filter back. I'm just going to pick it up and bring it over here. All right, so anyway, I've got to get it over these two things. And that means I got to fish it through that hole. So I got to drop her down like that. And then look down in here so it doesn't get caught on any of the little rungs there. And then bam, that's it, we're in. Let me give you a bird's eye view down in there. So yeah, you see how there's these little side things? This can get caught in there and you could break it off, so you got to be careful as you slide it down. But that's pretty much that. Now, what I want to do is I want to rinse this out because it probably has some leaves and stuff in it. So I'm just going to keep it on. Oh yeah, it's got a lot of leaves. So what I'm doing is just rinsing it, and then here, and you see how many leaves we got. All right, looks pretty good. All right, so now this is ready to go back on top. Slide her down. And I want this pointing that way, so I'm going to turn it just a little bit. And then all we do is twist her up. You want to make sure that this all closes. I think I got it up tight. Checking it out. Yep, it's on there. All right, so that's good. Now the next thing we got to do here is put our lid back on here, right? But I like to fill it up first. Get it primed a little bit. And then I put my cap on. And just spin it, twist it, and bam, Bob's your uncle. All right, now we're ready to go. Now all we got to do is go back in here, pop this open, put our breaker back on. So we got both breakers on, right? I'm just going to turn it on. Bam, here it goes. So if you look here, you can see the water rushing in, and here you can hear it. It's coming out of here, out of this valve. There it goes. Oh, it's strong. Feels good. Should squirt good. So this has to all fill up. We're getting there. Wow, that's good. A lot of good pressure. See how far that water's squirting? That means you got good pressure. That's what you want. You want good suction, good pressure. Let's go outside and look. Oh yeah, it's cranking. Check it out. So now we just filter out this pool. Looks like it might rain. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on pool stuff. Peace out.